Mamibao Baby Products Manufacturing Company was established in 1984. It is located in Hangzhou Bay New area, at the southern end of Hangzhou Bay Bridge. The company has a registered capital of $10.8 million and has occupied more than 400 mil area of working space. It is an export-oriented company that specializes in research and design, export, product development, manufacturing, and sales. During all this time, they have over 100 series of products they have produced for the global market. Products such as game beds, car safety seats, dining chairs, and baby strollers. It has its own brand, Mamibao, a more home, pouch, and meat classic. As a well-known established company, they are able to exceed all expectations on the global market as far as baby, children's products. Mamibao has met many international testing standards as well as quality management standards. Some of the testing standards they have met is the ASTM F2194 and the EN 1888. Now you want to talk about certification. They have achieved certifications such as the Quality Management System Certificate, the ISO 9001-2015. They also have the Occupational Health Certificate here with the ISO 45001-2018. They also have achieved the Environmental Management Certificate, such as with the ISO 14001-2015. And they also have achieved the CMS certification here with the ISO 10012-2003.